Take me home to a place, mountain high, West Virginia. Take me home. I think I know the word. I got the word. I don't know. Country food today. Go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back. I'm Grumpy. Welcome to an episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where apparently my wife caught me doing dumb things. Anyway, I'm in the mood because we're doing country food, borderline southern food. And today we're going to hit you with a 3-piece combo. Get it? Because we're about to do a 3-piece. Never mind. We're going to be doing fried home-style chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy. So over the next 3 weeks, you're going to catch fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy. So without further ado, let's make some bad choices and take you home to West Virginia. Alright, so if we're going to make fried chicken, we need a few things. First up, we need chicken with buttermilk. As you can see, we already have our chicken in the buttermilk. And then we're going to have flour and a mixture of seasoning. So we're going to have black pepper, good old-fashioned seasoning salt, cumin, chili powder, and paprika. And that's what we're going to use to make our fried chicken. Here, our chicken and our buttermilk. What we're going to do now, take your chicken, just like this, and put it in your bag. Now, normally I would use a brown paper bag to give it that old school feeling, but we're going to use a plastic bag because it's 2020. After you have enough chicken, you want to go ahead and wrap your bag up, seal it tight, just give it a little shake. And after that, go ahead and put it in the fryer. Through us with enough time in all 3 videos, you'll see the end result of our hard work. Fried chicken, home style, mashed potatoes, and gravy. That's how we do it. Enjoy. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.